Hello my friends, you're welcome to solve this math problem, which is x minus 1 over x to power of 3 plus x minus 1 over x is equal to 30. To find the values of x, which is x is an element of real number. In the first step, we let x minus 1 over x as u. So, we rewrite this equation and it will be u cube plus u is equal to 30. And next step, we take this 30 to this side and it will be u cube plus u minus 30 is equal to 0. And in here we can write u cube plus u, and negative 30 we write negative 3 minus 27, right, is equal to 0. And next step, we take this and this together and these two parts together. So it will be u cube minus 27, and we can write 27 as 3 to power of 3, right? And plus u minus 3 is equal to 0. And here, this is in the form of a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square, right? So, which is a is u and b is 3. So, we write this in this form and it will be a minus b, it will be u minus 3 times a square, it will be u square, plus ab, it will be 3u, and plus b square, it will be 3 square is 9, plus u minus 3 is equal to 0. And in here, u minus 3 is common, so I factor u minus 3, and this divided by this, it will be u square plus 3u plus 9, and this divided by this, it will be 1 is equal to 0. And here we have two solutions for u. U minus 3 is equal to 0, or u square plus 3u plus 9 plus 1 is 10, so plus 10 is equal to 0. From here, u is equal to 3, right? And in here, we recall x minus 1 over x is u. So we write in here, x minus 1 over x is u, and u is 3. So we write x minus 1 over x is 3. And here, we multiply both sides of this equation by x. So we multiply by x, and it will be x squared minus 1 over x times x, it will be 1, right? This will cancel this, is equal to 3x. And in next step, we take this 3x to this side, so it will be x squared minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. And in here, we have quadratic equation and we use quadratic formula, which is x is equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a, which is a is coefficient of x squared is 1, and b is coefficient of x is negative 3, and c is constant is negative 1. So, x is equal to negative b, negative 3, it will be positive 3, plus or minus square root of b squared, negative 3 squared, it will be 9, minus 4 times a is 1, and times negative 1 times c is negative 1, and over 2a is 2. And x is equal to 3 plus or minus square root of negative times negative, it will be positive, so 9 plus 4, it will be 13 over 2. So, in here, we have two solutions for x. And here, we have quadratic equation, and we use quadratic formula, but the first we check the discriminant which is b square minus 4ac. And a is coefficient of u square is 1, and b is coefficient of u is 3, and c is constant is 10. And discriminant is equal to b square, 3a square is 9, minus 4ac. 4 times a is 1, and times c is 10. And the discriminant is equal to 9 minus 40, and it will be negative 31. And this is less than 0, so in here we have no real solution. So our final answer for x in here is 3 plus or minus square root of 13 over 2. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.